What's up, you guys? We got a Honda Accord here. So if you got a Honda, this is a 2018-19 model, and if you got new wiper blade inserts such as these, so this is for the driver's side, and there's a part number here. This is a 2018 or 19 model. They're the same thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this guy off. So you're gonna lift this up, and you see that little tab right there? You're gonna push down on that tab. At the same time, you're gonna pull this out, so this thing will come off. So let me see if I can manage this with one hand. So I did have to put my camera up. So we're gonna push it on that, and then just be careful, hold on to this really tight, because you don't want this thing falling down here and break your windshield. But slowly let it just sit there so you don't damage anything. So now we're gonna come back a bit, and we're gonna pay more attention to this little guy right here. So let me explain to you. This was a little tab that we pushed and we pulled this off. So what you want to do is you could select either side. You want to pull this back a bit. Let me get my light a little bit better. There you go, that's much better. So you want to come back with this. You want to yank this back a bit, and then you want to grab it and you want to lift it out of there, okay? And once you lift it out, the whole thing is gonna just slip right through, just like so. And you pull out the wiper. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the new insert. We're gonna do the same thing. It's magic, a little bit of magic, and it's very simple. You see the groove right there? You're gonna get that groove right in there. Once you get it, the whole thing just gonna go right in like magic. And make sure on this end it goes to the edge, but it might gonna want to stop, but you just want to push it back on this side and get it underneath there, and then you have it. It's nice and good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this back on the vehicle. So you're gonna stick this right in just like that. What you wanna do next is you wanna lift this up, and you just take this little guy and just get it into the center of it. Okay, little guy, doesn't wanna go in. And it should just click like this. Play with it, try to pull down on it. It should not come out without pressing that. What you want to do is you want to clean the surface here, and let me get a rag. So you want to clean the surface before you put down the wiper. So make sure all this dirt, everything's out of the way. The reason is so you can get a clean surface to meet. If it picks up any of this dirt, it's gonna just scrape around the dirt. And you throw a little bit of Windex and then put this wiper down, and you're all set. And it's the same process for the opposite side. Thank you for watching, guys. And you cannot put this the wrong way. Usually how this has it's like a wing, so when the wind hits it, it's like aerodynamic. It will push against the windshield. You cannot put it the wrong way because it will only fit one way. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.